Hello guys, welcome to JT Automobile Specialist. In this episode I'll show you today how to install the fog light lamp in VW T5. So as you can see, these are the covers and I've just already done a hole, and that's where you have to fit your fog lights in. So to take off these covers, you can do it with a screwdriver, and all you need to do, you need to push out and they just come out nice and easy. So, and yeah, you can see that's where your fog lights goes in, and same you have to do with the other side. And then I'll show you the next thing. We need to take off this bit with a screwdriver. I'm going to open up the side one. All you need to do with a flathead screwdriver, just you need to push out, that's it. And this is all where you need to do your wiring things, and you need to, now I'm going to take off this light switch. So to take it off is very easy. You need to push it down, then turn it on and pull up nicely. And after this I'll go and install the wiring in the front, and I'll show you I've got new switch in here, and plus I've got this wiring. So this comes with a relay, and it has two. One is for negative, one is for live wire. Them two goes into your fog lights, and this red cable, as you can see, this will go. The switch I just took off is down here, as you can see. So if you be able to read it, this says number 5 just up on this corner, that one. And so I'm going to take this cover off, and I will attach the cable into the number 5. That is for your front fog lights. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a hole here to put the relay in, and then that's your battery. One is for positive, one is for negative. And the short cable, I'm gonna drop it down from down here to the fog lights, and I'm gonna tie up from here under this all the way, and it will go right on the bottom for the right side. Okay, so I'll show you what I did. So for the cables, this is negative, I just connected in here, positive here, and if you see, two cables goes down from here. So it came up underneath all the way left here, then the other one goes back side of this grill and came out from this hole. And for the electric one, so I just did one hole in here, so that cable goes all the way back, and there was a hole one already here, so I just removed the clip basically and just threw the clip. And if you see that hole, yeah, and there was a rubber on, just this rubber, so just take the rubber off, make a hole in it, and then this cable gone through from the rubber. And now I'll take you inside. So what I did inside, obviously the cable comes out like this. So with this is the new switch now. So as you can see, this one, the top right on the top corner, which is number 5. So you have to connect this with the number 5. Once you do that and all the connections are done, I'll just turn the ignition on, turn the lights on, and I'm going to do a test. As you can see, the both lights are on. So now the test is done. Now I'm going to fix the lights, and then I'll show you after. Now it's time to put the things back on. So I'm going to put this cover back on first, which goes here. So before you fit your fog light into it, you need to fit your light bulb into it. So that's how it should go in, and then you need to twist it anti-clockwise So once you plugged in the light bulb, the light should go like this, and there are 3 screws, 1, 2, and this third one on this corner, and it should be facing out way here. So I'm gonna put these Phillips screws and tie it up. So yeah, screws are done. As you can see, all 3 screws are fitted. So that's your fog lights done. So now I'm gonna put the covers back on. As you can see, everything's back on. So it looks nice, the lights are fully working. So if you guys like this video, so let me know in the comment section, and if you still have any question, write down below in the comment section and I'll try my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.